Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. RIDENGO is back. I know we didn't post anything last 8 months, but that's changed now. This trip means a lot to me. As a father, I am incredibly proud that my daughter decided to join me on our first big journey through the Europe. Just two of us, from the Czech Republic through the Germany, France and back home to the island. We didn't know exactly what's waiting for us out there. We don't know what challenges we will facing or what amazing moments we will discover. But that's the point. We're here to explore nature, to experience the world around us, and to live each day with open eyes and open hearts. I am especially proud of Julia because just a couple months ago, her brother, my son, was in a very serious motorcycle accident. It would be completely understandable if she didn't want to get on the bike again. But she chose to ride with me. That's take a lot of courage, and it's mean more than I can say. We will not stay in hotels or fancy B&Bs every night. We're camping somewhere new, and that's important, not just for me, but for Julia too. These days, it's easy to stay stuck in screens and comfort zones, but out there, it's different. She's learning independence, how to take care of herself, and how to live close to nature. I set up the tent, but she brings the spirit. This journey, it's ours, and I hope it inspires other families to take that first ride together.